Hi friends, let me show you how easy I achieved these beautiful nails. I'm gonna start with the Jello peel off base. You can use whichever peel off base you prefer, whichever one is your favorite. Go ahead and apply it and cure it for 1 minute. I've already picked my sizes. As you can see, I'm using the Après Short Almond. For the application, I'm using the Tipex glue. You can use whichever one you like, whichever one you prefer. Make sure you flash cure for a few seconds and then go ahead and cure for an entire minute in your big lamp. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm so sorry I missed for like a week or so. I've been very sick. I still sound sick, but I'm trying to get over it. Hopefully soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and share it if you find it's worth sharing. Go ahead and grab a nude gel polish. We're just gonna trace it along the smile line. We're basically gonna kind of cover that point where your natural nail ends and the artificial nail begins. Okay, just like so. Grab a blending brush, a sponge, whatever works for you. It doesn't have to be a brush. For me, I find it easier with this ombre brush. It's a special brush where you can achieve ombres. Go ahead and apply it to all the nails and just blend it in. Alright, just grab a cat eye gel polish, the lightest one that you have. Mine is from Divac. I really like this one, but I know it can be pricey. I know Sweetie Nails now does sell. This is from the White Night collection. Yeah, White Night collection. This is the number 25. I'm sure they sell them individually now, so you can purchase it for, I don't even know, maybe it's got to be under $20. It's like $14. I know it's expensive for a nail polish, but I'm sure there are other alternatives on Amazon. You can maybe get it from Born Pretty. I think I've seen something like this. I can tell you it's very close to this one, to this Divac one from Born Pretty on Amazon, and they're very, very affordable. So you can go ahead and grab that. I know this this was a little bit expensive. It just something I splurge on. I really wanted this collection from Divac. But like I said, you can definitely achieve this exact design using more affordable products from Amazon, like the one like the Born Pretty, for instance, or even on Temu. I think you can find them, or Shein, or something like that. So yeah, just go ahead and apply it, and then use your magnet. As you can see, it's really pretty, really pretty. I did went ahead and applied 2 coats, and of course use the magnet in between. As you can see how the light is shifting it. They're so beautiful, so beautiful. Now go ahead and grab a builder gel, for instance this one that I have from the Xcode Tips. You can use whichever builder gel you want. The reason for this, it's gonna look like you have glass nails. That's the whole idea. So yeah, go ahead and apply builder gel, and as you can see, I'm applying it to like one fingernail at a time. I'm just applying it, and then I'm just putting my hand upside down. I mean, right, holding it down like that, you know, just to use the gravity to make sure that it shifts nicely in place. And that's it. Cure it for a full minute. and you're gonna have some nice glass nails. All right, go ahead and grab your matte uh, gel polish. I'm using this one again from Divac. A little bit pricey, but you can use whichever one you want. Go ahead and apply this matte top coat, okay? Because we're gonna do a little bit of isolated chrome design with it, so make sure you do go ahead and paint on the entire surface of your nail. Okay, we don't want any chrome powder to stick where we don't want it to stick, so make sure you do cover it everywhere. I'm using this one. This is the one that I have on hand, black gel polish. Whichever gel polish you have, you can go ahead and grab a tiny brush. Okay, make sure you saturate your bristles like so. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and start tracing. You don't have to be perfect with this, really. I mean, it's just, you know, you can just use your imagination. You can copy my design if you'd like. You can just stop the video and just copy my design. But I'm pretty sure you can, you know, you cannot go wrong with this design. You can do however you like. Like I said, you can just pause and then just use the design that I'm doing. Just do it along with me. And to be honest, this design is the only part where it's a little bit more time consuming, just because you have to trace, you know, the lines perfectly. And I know you are just like me, a perfectionist, and you want the lines to be extremely perfect. And yeah, that's the only thing that, you know, it's going to take you a little time, depending how fast or how well you can trace those. In my design, now looking back after I finished, I could have made them a little bit thinner. You know, I would have liked them a little bit more thinner, but they worked out just fine. As you can see, I'm applying the chrome, and because we have that matte top coat underneath, nothing's gonna stick to the design, only to where we trace the black lines, which is great. As you can see, they look beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, just like so. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm very happy with this design, and it's so easy to do. Like I said, the only part where it's kind of difficult is when you have to trace the black lines, especially on, you know, doing it with your non-dominant hand. That's a little bit of a challenge, but for me it is. I don't know, maybe you can use your both hands, but for me it's a little, you know, I had a little bit of a challenge, and it took me a little bit more time, you know, whenever I use it with my non-dominant hand to trace the lines. But yeah, that's it. So now I'm just applying just a regular top coat. A non-wipe top coat would be, you know, best, I think, just because you don't have to worry about having to wipe that tacky layer off. So just use a no non-wipe top coat is the best. Go ahead and apply it everywhere, so you can just kind of encapsulate that chrome. Okay, so it won't move anywhere, because if you don't, at this point in time, if you don't use top coat to secure that design in place, the moment you will touch anything that has to do with alcohol, acetone, anything like that, is just gonna, that chrome is gonna come right off. So make sure you do use a top coat to save your design. Okay, let me know down in the comments what you think about this design, if you tried it yourself. And yeah, they turn out very beautiful. So Until next time, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next one.